All right, some clients have said that their tans haven't been lasting as long. There's a couple of things to this. Exfoliation. The quality of your tan is determined by the quality of how you exfoliate. So you want to get rid of as many dead cells as possible so that the solution can really soak in. Now, some people have also had a problem where it doesn't last as long. If it doesn't last as long, it may be because there is a barrier layer that is preventing it from really absorbing more and staying. The reason that there is a barrier layer is because of product residue. Product residue. So product residue can be in oils. So if you use an oil-based lotion or like coconut oil, then 2 days prior to your spray tan, you want to not use that so that can all get out of your body. The oil will create a layer that keeps it from tanning. Sometimes the oil also will make it splotchy in areas, other like dry or like just areas that are oilier, and so it will be an uneven tan. Now, another thing is if you use Dove body bar for a soap. This has an extra layer that puts it on your skin, and so if you use Dove, do not use it before your spray tan. You can use it afterwards, but 2 days before your spray tan, you want all oils to be off. So no Dove, okay, and exfoliate. And also when you exfoliate, try not to use the sugar or salt rubs because those have oils in it as well. Yes, it gets rid of the dead cells, but it leaves a oil layer. Now, if you want to exfoliate beforehand really well, I really just use baking soda where I mix it with a little bit of water and I create a thick paste and I use that to exfoliate. That also helps balance out your pH levels. Now, another thing that if people don't know is dial soap. Dial soap will help get rid of the oils too. I learned that when I was spray tanning for bodybuilding competitions, and the gal that I worked with, that was her secret in getting her bodybuilders to get rid of the dead skin. So dial soap is good, baking soda with water, and just really scrubbing it. Dry brushing beforehand is wonderful as well. So I hope these tips help, and I hope that your tan is the best ever, and that's so you.